Sir, where can we get this lecture recordings?
Few of them of last week they are available in Google Classroom. No? They are available in Google
Okay, sir.
Classroom. Huh? You go through it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me continue. So yesterday,
Uh, Sir, can you send the code on WhatsApp so that we can join the Google Classroom?
code code is required. Why code is required?
Sir, to join the class, we have to
Acha,
enter
acha,
the
Google
code.
Classroom. For that, okay, no problem. Let me start. Mean value theorem. The topic consists of yesterday we studied all these things: Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's theorem, Cauchy's theorem. So first, yesterday we started with what is continuity and differentiability. So we started with continuity. Geometrically, continuity means there should not be gap in the graph of the function. So see the first example, there is no graph, therefore function is continuous, whereas in second case there is gap at x equal to a. X equal to a, two different values are there, y1 and y2, and they are not equal. Therefore function is not differentiable at x equal to a. Okay, everywhere it is continuous, sorry, continuity. Function is continuous everywhere except at x equal to a. Okay, then polynomial, they are in this form, where this is the polynomial of nth degree, provided a naught is not equal to 0. All the polynomials are continuous as well as differentiable everywhere. Meaning of everywhere is over the real line r. Okay. Then consider a function, third example, 1 upon 1 minus x. If we take any value of x except 1, the value is finite and therefore function is continuous. Whereas if you take x equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to infinity and therefore function is not continuous at x equal to 1. Okay, so function is continuous if it does not become infinite or indeterminate. Okay, then we have taken next example, whose two parts are there, x square plus 1 and 3 minus x in 0 to 1 and 1 to 2 respectively. Then we obtain value of function at x equal to 1, and in both the case the value is 2. Therefore function is continuous at x equal to 1 and continuous in the whole interval 0 to 2. Then after that we started with the differentiability. Geometrically, what is derivative? Derivative is slope of tangent to the curve at that particular point. Okay, so what is the slope of x-axis? 0. What is slope of y-axis? Infinity. So if slope of any line is 0, means the line is parallel to x-axis, right? So if corner is there, as in this case, in case of second example, we can draw tangent but not single tangent, we can draw many tangents, and therefore the function is not differentiable at corner. Okay, so differentiable means we want unique tangent. Then take the example of x plus 2 raised to 1 upon 3. If we differentiate, we have 1 upon 3 x plus 2 raised to 2 by 3. If we substitute x equal to minus 2, then the derivative becomes infinite. So derivative f dash of x or f is not differentiable at x equal to minus 2. Okay, modulus function, I think everyone know what the modulus function is. F of x equal to mod x, which is defined in this way. Two parts are there, one for x less than 0 and other for x greater than or equal to 0. For x less than 0 it is minus x, and for x greater than or equal to 0 it is plus x. The graph is like this. Function is continuous, there is no any graph, but not differentiable at x equal to 0, since more than one tangent exists at x equal to 0. Therefore, okay, then we started with the Rolle's mean value theorem. So the statement is like this: if a function f of x is, three conditions are there: continuous in the closed interval ab, differentiable in the open interval ab, and it is equal at the end points, that is f of a equal to f of b. If all the three conditions are satisfied, then there exists at least one point x equal to c in the open interval ab such that f dash of c equal to 0. Okay, so remarks very important for the MCQs. One, there may exist more than one real number c such that f dash of c equal to 0. Today we'll see a few examples of this type. Then converse of the Rolle's mean value theorem is not true. That is, there may be a point c in the interval ab such that f dash of c equal to 0, but function may not be continuous, function may not be differentiable, maybe f of a not equal to f of b. So this is known as converse is not true. Geometrical meaning, geometrically, say we have 2 points x equal to a and x equal to b, where we have f of a equal to f of b. Function is continuous and differentiable, so we have drawn the graph of function. Then there is at least one point where the tangent to the curve at that point will be parallel to x-axis. Okay, many times not only one point, we may have, see the second diagram, we may have 5 points, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, depends upon the nature of function. Okay, then we can write Rolle's theorem in this way also. If a function is continuous in a to a plus h, differentiable in a open interval a to a plus h, f of a equal to f of a plus h, then there exists a real number theta such that f dash of a plus theta h equal to 0, where theta lies between 0 to 1. What is the algebraic interpretation? Algebraic interpretation is like this. If f of x is a polynomial which satisfies all conditions of Rolle's mean value theorem in AB, and if a and b are roots of f of x equal to 0, then Rolle's theorem says that at least one root of f dash of x lies in the AB. Then we started with the first example. The question was verify Rolle's theorem. We started with f of x equal to x square. Since it is a polynomial, it is continuous and differentiable. Okay. Then f of a equal to 1, f of b equal to 1, they are equal. Therefore, there exists a c such that f dash of c equal to 0. So f dash is 2x, that is 2c equal to 0, that is c equal to 0, and 0 lies between -1 to 1. Okay. Start with the next example, right? Next example. Yes. Let me start. Let me start with a new page. Okay, right? Question is same. Verify Rolle's theorem. Hope it is visible to everyone. Write the date. Division. Okay. Right. Next example. Question is same. Verify Rolle's theorem. I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next example. Question is same. Verify Rolle's theorem for f of x equal to write down 2 plus ax minus 1 raised to 2 by 3. Interval is 0 to 2. Solution. Write down. Right? F of x is continuous in 0 to 2. Continuous in closed interval 0 to 2. Okay, then next, f dash of x. Find derivative. Derivative of 2 is 0. Right? Then derivative is 2 by 3. X minus 1 raised to 2 by 3 minus 1. Minus 1 upon 3. Na? Okay, so 2 divided by 3. X minus 1 raised to 1 by 3. So function is differentiable. Is the function differentiable? Anyone? Is the function differentiable?
Yes.
Differentiable. Right. At x equal to 1. See what is f dash of 1? 2 divided by 3. At x equal to 1. Na? So 1 minus 1 is 0. So infinity. So, right. Function is not differentiable at x equal to 1. So what is the conclusion? Rolle's mean value theorem is not applicable, isn't it? Understood, na? Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Right. Next, second example. Any doubt in this example?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, directly we have to take x value as 1.
हाँ, no problem ना. Directly.
To
See,
that.
you are not audible.
Sir, we have to make we have to take such value that we get
Ha.
infinite.
Correct. So we want to search different values between given interval. Means in this case 0 to 2. Getting? So that function will
Okay, sir.
become indeterminate or infinite. One of them. Right? So here if you take x equal to 1, which lies between 0 to 2, the function become infinite. Na? F dash become infinite. Na? Therefore it is not differentiable. Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next order. Good. F of x equal to x minus 2 e raised to minus x. Interval is 0 to 2. Okay. So right now x minus 2 is polynomial and e raised to minus x is exponential function. Right? Function is combination of f of x is combination of, you can write like this, f of x is combination of polynomial and exponential function. Right. Both of them are, yes, both of them are what? Are continuous. Polynomial is always continuous. Exponential function is always continuous. Okay. Now differentiation. Okay. F dash of x equal to. So we have to use the product rule. Derivative of x is 1. X minus 2 e raised to minus x. Plus x as it is, derivative of x minus 2 is 1 e raised to minus x. Plus x minus 2, and derivative of e raised to minus x is minus of e raised to minus x. Okay, simplify this. Take e raised to minus x common. See what is remaining. X minus 2 from the first term, x from the next term. Consider the minus sign. So minus x square plus 2x and e raised to minus x. Simplify. Minus x square plus 4x minus 2 e raised to minus x. Now write down. F dash of x is combination of polynomial and exponential function. Right. Both of them are differentiable. So no any problem of differentiability. Okay, next, right? F of a, that is f of 0. And what is f of 0? 0 na? X equal to 0 na? Therefore f of b, f of 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, so 0 again. Understood? Can I change the page? Can I change the page? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write down all the conditions of Rolle's RMUT, or just write Rolle's theorem, are satisfied. Therefore, there exists C such that f dash of C equal to 0. Okay. We have f of x equal to, f of x लिख दो एक बार, x square plus 4x minus 2 e raised to minus x. No? Okay, now write down. F dash of c equal to 0 implies minus c square plus 4c minus 2 into e raised to minus c equal to 0. What we know about the exponential function? Exponential functions are always non-zero. Right? Since e raised to minus c is not equal to 0, therefore what will be 0? Minus c square plus 4c minus 2 equal to 0. That is c square minus 4c plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, then using alpha x square plus beta x plus gamma equal to 0. If this is a quadratic equation, what are the roots? Roots क्या असतात? Roots क्या होते? X equal to minus b ना? You might remember it in terms of ax square plus bx plus c, yeah. Right? Now, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Remember? No? So minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4 alpha gamma. Just I have changed the parameters. Right? No? So right here already c is used in this equation and therefore I changed it. Alpha equal to 1. Beta equal to minus 4, gamma equal to 2. Substitute them. So minus of minus plus 16 minus 8 divided by 2. In fact, it is not x, it should be c. Please make the required change. We have two values. And what we want, where the c should be? c कुछ असला पाहिजे, कहाँ पे होना चाहिए c? जो given interval है ना, उसमें होना चाहिए. 0 to 2 में होना चाहिए. देखते हैं. 2 plus, what is root 2? 1.4 ना? जीरो टू 2 में नहीं है, हाँ. Whereas ये आएगा अराउंड, हाँ, अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू बिलोंग्स टू, क्या क्या लिखा है लास्ट में, समझा ना? ये डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू और ये बिलोंग्स टू लिखा है मैंने, यानी उस इंटरवल में है या नहीं, ये लिखा है. सो व्हाट द आंसर इज, फाइनल आंसर c इज इक्वल टू 2 minus root 2. सिंगल वैल्यू इज देयर, 2 minus root 2. अरे समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं?
Yes.
Okay. Can we continue? Can we continue with the next example?
One minute.
हाँ, देखो. Right.
Sir, it will be closed interval. C 3.4 does not belong to 0 to 2.
हाँ, उसमें नहीं है ना, उससे ज्यादा है ना, 2 से ज्यादा है ना, 3.4 है ना. So we cannot consider that C for this example. If interval is
yes, but
if in
you wrote there 0 to 2 in open bracket.
हाँ, correct, उसमें नहीं है. और जो next है that is 0.6 which is between 0 to 2. So we have to consider the 2 minus root 2. We cannot consider 2 plus root 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in every problem we have to find the value of C. If row
no doubt. Finding C means very
applicable.
if whenever theorem is applicable na, it is expected to find the correct value of C. Right? So in MCQ what will be given na? Function will be given and it will be asked that find the value of C. Considering that all the conditions of Rolle's theorem are verified. You don't have to verify. Okay? If it is asked to find C na, you don't have to verify anything. Now it may be asked, another question may be like this: check whether Rolle's theorem is applicable or not. In that case, you have to check the three conditions: whether it is continuous or not, whether it is differentiable or not, whether f of a equal to f of b. Understood? Two different types of problems are expected on this question, whatever examples we solved till now. One, find the value of c. Okay, so you have to find the c part only. So whatever we have written on this page, that will be sufficient. Right? Find the derivative, replace x by c and find the c. That's it. Okay. Another question may be check whether Rolle's theorem is applicable or not. That's it. So answer options may be yes, Rolle's theorem is applicable. Second option, yes, Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Like this. So in that case, whatever we had done on the previous page, that is required. Understood? Can I change the page now?
Yes, sir.
Next. Next, question is same. We want to verify the Rolle's theorem for next example. Third example, fourth example. Sorry. F of x equal to mod x. Okay, between -1 to 1. Yes, right. What about continuity of the modulus function? F of x equal
Continuous.
to absolutely is continuous function. Okay, then what about differentiability? What about differentiability of the modulus function? Is it differentiable everywhere?
Not at zero.
Right. Is
No,
not
sir.
not differentiable at x equal to 0, and it is inside the given interval. Na? It is between -1 to 1. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Rolle's mean value theorem is yes, not applicable. Hope you might have understood it. Fifth example. चलो फिफ्थ एग्जांपल सॉल्व करते हैं. F of x equal to log of x square plus ab divided by x a plus b. That interval is ab, and what we know about ab, both a and b, they are greater than 0. All these things are given in example. Both a and b, they are greater than 0. Okay, so first point, f of x equal to log of x square plus ab divided by x a plus b. Now that is log of so logarithmic function is always continuous function. It is not a discontinuous function. Logarithmic function is a continuous function. Therefore, f of x is continuous. Okay, right. Second, f dash of x, find the derivative. यहां से डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है, यहां से, ये जो हमने सिंप्लीफिकेशन किया है ना, वहां से. सो 1 upon x square plus ab into derivative of x square is 2x minus 1 upon x a plus b into derivative of x is 1. Now try to find value of x so that f dash of x will become infinite or indeterminate. Understood what I am saying? Try to find the value of x so that f dash of x will become infinite or indeterminate. And again the value should be between a to b, where a and b are greater than 0. Getting everyone? If I take x equal to 0, na, 1 upon 0 is infinity, but 0 is not included in a and b. Na? In the interval a, b, 0 is not included. Both a and b are greater than 0, therefore. Okay, so f dash of x is differentiable. Or f of x is differentiable. This is better. Okay, now you find f of a. So log of, replace x by a square plus ab divided by a plus b. So log of 1.
सर ए बी तर ते इंटरवल आहेत ना जे दिलेलं आहे क्वेश्चन मध्ये -1 to 1.
हो येस.
मग आपण 0 का बरं नाही घेऊ शकत? 0 तर ते इंटरवल मध्ये लाय करतो ना.
अरे no. See what is given? AB is interval. But what A and B? Both A and B are greater than 0. This is written na? Here it is written. Where I have written the example na? There it is written that A, B, both A is greater than 0, B greater than 0. So for example, A is equal to 5 and B equal to 10. So interval will be 5 to 10 na? So 5 to 10, does it include 0? Understood or not? So we cannot consider 0. Understood or not?
Sir, in f dash of x, when you have differentiated in it, then see after -1 by x into a plus b into a plus b, there should be
a plus b is remaining. Absolutely correct. Sorry, a plus b is remaining, no doubt. So I write a plus b here. Absolutely. And then a plus b will cancel. Right. So it should be like this. Sorry. Derivative is wrong. -1 upon x. Correct. This is the derivative. Here is the derivative. Please make the required change. Okay. Till this point clear? So this is log of 1. And what is log of 1? 0. Now find f of b. So log of, again start with the given function, log of x square plus ab. X is now b. So b square plus ab divided by x, that is b, a plus b. So again same thing. Log of b is taken common, b plus a divided by b, a plus b. So log of 1, 0. So what is the conclusion? F of a equal to f of b. Clear everything? Now write down. Can I change the page now?
Sir, 1 minute.
Right. Write it, complete it fast. Can I change the page?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
लेक्चर मध्ये थोड्या नंतर परत. बाय बाय.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if the function is continuous and differentiable and if f of b is not equal to f of b,
In that case, we'll use the Lagrange's mean value theorem next. Okay. So give me some
Rolle's
time.
theorem is not applicable then.
Rolle's theorem is not applicable, no doubt.
Okay, sir.
In that case, whenever f of a is not equal to f of b, but first two conditions are satisfied, then we can use Lagrange's theorem, means f dash of c equal to 0, that statement will change.
Okay, sir.
So we'll study after, maybe in this lecture only. So let me continue, please. So Radha, all the conditions of fast now. All the conditions of Rolle's theorem are verified. All the conditions of Rolle's theorem are verified. Therefore, there exists C in, where it exists? In the open interval AB, such that f dash of C equal to 0. Okay, now Radha, here f of c, sorry, f dash of x, sorry, first f dash of x equal to, what is f dash of x? Write that. Write f dash of x. So 2x divided by x square plus ab. 2x divided by x square plus ab minus 1 upon x. Now, f dash of c equal to 0 implies 2c divided by c square plus ab minus 1 upon c equal to 0. Simplify this, cross multiply. So 2c square minus of c square plus ab, I am cross multiplying. C square plus ab equal to 0. Take denominator to other side, it will cancel, right now. And 2 square minus c square, what is remaining? C square minus ab equal to 0. Therefore, c square equal to ab. So c equal to plus minus root ab. So two values of c are there. C equal to minus root of ab and c equal to plus root of ab. Which one we have to consider, or should we consider both of them? Is root of minus ab is in the open interval ab?
No.
No, sir.
Why not?
Sir, because value is negative.
A and B are greater
Both,
than 0.
very good, very good. Both a and b are positive, na? So root of ab cannot be negative. Their multiplication cannot be negative. Negative number we don't have to consider. Thus, hope everyone is getting this. C equal to root of ab. Got it? Understood. Next. Next example. Can I change the page now? Right, next example. Question is same. Example number 6, I think. Right. F of x equal to x square plus 1. So now for this type of examples, I am using the shortcut method, since ultimately our aim is to get the solution which may be asked in case of online exam, MCQ. So right, 1. X square plus 1 is polynomial. So continuous. 3 minus x is polynomial. So continuous. Okay. Then on f of 1. Two different values are there. F of 1. X square plus 1 at x equal to 1. Okay. And 3 minus x at x equal to 1. In fact, one of them is left hand limit and the other is right hand limit. Okay, so equal to, substitute x equal to 1. 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Right, x equal to 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So in fact this is left from left side, na? Left hand limit. No need to understand this left and right, leave that. If you understand this part only, na, why it is 2 sufficient. So what is conclusion? Function is continuous at x equal to 1. So what is the conclusion? So f of x is continuous in what? 0 to 2. Have you understood this part?
Yes.
Everyone understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now we have to find the derivative. So actual method of finding derivative is different, but let me find it directly, and we'll check it. Okay, so now f dash of x equal to derivative of x square plus 2x, 2x, derivative of 3 minus x minus 1, right now? Here we don't have equal to, whenever we find derivative, na, the point where there are two parts of the function, that is x at 1, so that should be written in this way. Right? Equal to is not written here. Equal to is not written here also. Okay, so written. Both 2x and minus 1 are polynomial. Minus 1 is also polynomial. So differentiable. Getting everyone? Polynomials are both continuous and differentiable, na? Then f dash of x at x equal to 1 equal to 2x at x equal to 1 minus 1 at x equal to 1, as we have done in previous case. So this is 2, this is minus 1. So what is the conclusion? F of x is different values, na? Not differentiable at what? X equal to 1. ये समझते कि नहीं? ये समझ में आ रहा है सबको? F of x is not differentiable at x equal to 1. So what is the conclusion? Final conclusion. RMVT is not applicable. समझ में आ गया सबको? Have you understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. चलो नेक्स्ट चेंज कर दूं मैं इसको. Any doubt in this example? Any doubt in this example? अच्छा.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. नेक्स्ट चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखते हैं. ओके. थोड़ा सा एक कंसेप्ट को रिवाइज करते हैं और करस्पॉन्डिंग एक एग्जांपल सॉल्व करते हैं जो हमने कल पढ़ा है. So let me start with the Rolle's theorem once again. What is the Rolle's theorem? क्या है Rolle's theorem? F of x function है, right? What are its properties? 3 property है. Continuous in AB, है ना? Differentiable in open interval AB, right? और third property है f of A equal to f of B, है ना? तब क्या होगा? There exists C such that f dash of C equal to 0. Okay. अब मेरे पास ऐसा फंक्शन है f ऑफ x, उसमें क्या है, कंटिन्यूअस है, अल्फा और बीटा इसमें, ठीक है, डिफरेंशिएबल है, कहां पे, ओपन इंटरवल अल्फा बीटा, और क्या है, अल्फा एंड बीटा रूट्स ऑफ द फंक्शन, रूट्स यानी क्या होगा, f ऑफ अल्फा इक्वल टू, इफ अल्फा एंड बीटा रूट्स ऑफ द फंक्शन f ऑफ x, व्हाट विल बी f ऑफ अल्फा, अरे रूट है तो क्या रहेगा, अरे इसको समझो ना आप, x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 6 इक्वल टू, ये इक्वेशन है या ये पॉलिनोमियल जो भी है, 2 is the root, so what will be f of 2, 0,
0.
right, 3 is the root, so what is the 0, so what is the conclusion, roots are 2 and 3, दोनों है, यदि रूट है तो 0 रहेगा, 0 है तो रूट रहेगा, both are true, हाँ, if and only if है, so f of alpha equal to 0, f of beta equal to 0, then what the conclusion is, one of root of f dash of x lies in AB, that is f dash of c, f dash of c equal to 0, इसका मतलब क्या है, c is the root, whose root, c is root of f dash of x equal to 0, है ना, समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं, मैथ समझ में आ रहा है ना इसके बिहाइंड, राइट, सो आई हैव रिटन रोल्स थ्योरम ओनली बट इन डिफरेंट वर्ड्स, मेकिंग वन स्मॉल चेंज, हाँ, क्या है, f of x is a function which is continuous in the interval alpha beta, differentiable in the open interval alpha beta, and alpha and beta roots, therefore f of alpha equal to f of beta, but one more thing, equal to 0, why they are roots, therefore then one of the root of the f dash of x lies in the AB, that is in other words f dash of c equal to 0, वही किया है, हाँ, चलो एग्जांपल पढ़ते हैं, हाँ, इसको लिखा आपने, जो भी आपको समझ में आ गया, take some time and write it so that I can go through the next example fast, write it.
Sir, to check differentiability, it is always we have to take open interval.
हाँ, absolutely. चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल ऐसे, यूज रोल्स थ्योरम, use Rolle's theorem to prove that the equation ax square plus bx equal to a by 3 plus b by 2 has a root between 0 and 1, has a root between 0 to 1. चलो सॉल्व करते हैं इसको, राइट with me, define a function as f of x equal to, मैं लिखता हूं, हाँ, फंक्शन डायरेक्टली लिखता हूं, you have to tell me from where I obtain the function, ax cube divided by 3 plus bx square divided by 2 minus a by 3x minus b by 2x. अच्छा, ये कहां से आ गया फंक्शन, from where I got this function, अरे बताओ, अरे जो एग्जांपल में दिया है वही से कहीं से मैंने फाइंड किया, वो whatever is given in example that I might have used ना, try to see the relation, what the relation is there any relation between ax square and ax cube divided by 3, अरे उसको इंटीग्रेट किया मैंने, ax square, what is integration of ax square, ax cube divided by 3, what is integration of bx square divided by 2 minus plus a by 3 plus b by 2 is taken to other side and then they are integrated, what is integration of constant, उसको x ऐड करना पड़ेगा ना, so minus a by 3x minus b by 2x, उसके सामने लिखो, obtained by integrating the given equation, this is for your information only, yeah? You don't have to write this in exam, obtained by integrating given equation, okay, now what we want to do na, For this function, our aim is to use the Rolle's theorem, or interval lena hai 0 to 1. Why 0 to 1? It is given in example. Therefore, okay, सामने लिखो 0 to 1. Right below, f of x is polynomial. Polynomial है ना?
Sir,
हाँ.
how to consider it is open or closed?
No, for the continuity, closed interval is required. For the differentiability, open interval is required.
Okay, sir.
So right, f of x is a polynomial, and therefore it is continuous in 0, 1. Okay, then that f dash of x equal to f dash of x find करो, क्या आ रहा है देखो, x square plus bx minus a by 3 plus b by 2. Polynomial है, it is also a polynomial, right? Therefore f of x is differentiable in open interval 0 to 1. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? ठीक है, अब क्या करते हैं, नेक्स्ट स्टेप f of a फाइंड करते हैं, f of a इक्वल टू f of 0, इंटरवल इज 0 1 ना, सो f में ये फंक्शन f of x इक्वल टू 0 पुट करो, क्या आ रहा है देखो 0. f of b देखो, दैट इज f of 1. f of 1 पुट करके आप देख लो एक बार इन द फंक्शन, सो a by 3 plus b by 2 minus a by 3 minus b by 2, 0 ही आ रहा है. है ना, f of a equal to f of b.
Yes.
So below it write down all the conditions of, थोड़ा सा फास्ट लिखना है, हाँ, right, all the conditions of RMVT, or write in short, Rolle's theorem, are satisfied. Therefore there exists C in 0 to 1. 0 to 1 में रहेगा ना, such that f dash of C equal to 0. C क्या है? C is root of, whose root?
f dash.
हाँ, गुड, इसको लिख के आप रखो, समझ में आना चाहिए, ये आपके इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए है. C is the root of f dash of x equal to 0. तो f dash of C लिखो, f dash हमें पता है ac square plus bc minus a by 3 plus b by 2 equal to 0, and that is what we have to prove. क्या प्रूव करना था हमें? Use Rolle's theorem to prove that the equation has a root between 0 to 1. है ना, c है ना, f dash of c equal to 0, और c तो रूट है, whose root? f dash of x, और f dash of x जो whatever the equation given in example सेम है ना. इतना मैथ समझ में आता है या नहीं? आना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
आना चाहिए, है ना. चलो नेक्स्ट, let me continue. Can I change the page now?
Yes.
चेंज कर दो. रो Lagrange's. Let me change the page. Lagrange का स्पेलिंग ये है. Mean value theorem, LMVT, Lagrange's mean value theorem. चलो थोड़ा सा फास्ट लिखते हैं. Right. If statement, if a function f of x is 1, continuous in closed interval AB. Second, differentiable in open interval AB. Then third condition we have not taken. Then there exists at least one point x belongs to C. X some problem is there. At least exists one point. C belongs to AB or C in AB. कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं आप? Such that f dash of C equal to f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. Right? Previous example में हमने क्या लिखा था? f dash of C equal to 0, है ना? But in that case f of B and f of B they were equal ना? f of B equal to f of A था ना? अभी यहाँ पे for this example also if f of B and f of A are equal क्या आएगा? f dash of C equal to 0 आएगा ना? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ओके, तो उसको लिखना है मेरे रिमार्क में और उसको याद भी रखना है. हाँ, बट बिफोर दैट विल गो थ्रू द अल्टरनेट स्टेटमेंट. अल्टरनेट स्टेटमेंट. हाँ, तो लिखो. अभी क्या करते हैं हम? लेट a minus b है ना? A is the initial point and B is the terminal point of the given interval. उसको h consider करते हैं. So that will give B equal to क्या आएगा? अच्छा, उल्टा सा कंसिडर किया मैंने. सॉरी, let me make small change. B minus A. B is the last point ना? So B minus A equal to h. That will give B equal to A plus h. Please make the required change. चलो लिखते हैं. If a function f of x is, थोड़ा फास्ट लिखना है, 1 continuous in, अभी बाकी नहीं लिखेंगे, हाँ, in closed interval, that will understand. Continuous in a plus h, closed interval a plus h, differentiable in open interval a plus h, then there exists at least, right? There exists at least one, right? Point theta such that f dash of a plus theta h equal to f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h, where theta lies between 0 to 1. और कुछ टाइम है क्या हमारे पास? नहीं है. अच्छा, कल हम इसको कंप्लीट करेंगे. हाँ, we'll complete this topic tomorrow. We'll stop here for today.
Yes, sir.
तो अभी क्या करना है? अटेंडेंस लेते हैं. फास्ट, थोड़ा सा फास्ट. ठीक है, इसको सेव करने दो मुझे. सेव, चलो हो गया ये. रोल नंबर 1 अटेंडेंस आप देख भी लीजिए. आपका अटेंडेंस है सामने. 2
प्रेजेंट सर.
रोल नंबर 2 एब्सेंट. 3
प्रेजेंट सर. प्रेजेंट सर. रोल नंबर 2
ना. 2 is present. 3
प्रेजेंट सर. 2
4 3 आप हमेशा काफी बार एब्सेंट हो. पर देखो आपका अटेंडेंस क्यों कम है. 4 5
प्रेजेंट सर.
प्रेजेंट सर. रोल नंबर 6 रोल नंबर 6 एब्सेंट. 7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11, 12,
11 present, sir.
11 present. 12, what about the 12? Absent? 12 absent. 13,
Present, sir. 13 present.
14, 14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
16 present.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19, 19, अरे 19 वाले किधर गए साहब? Shukrut Joshi. Attendance is very less. Okay. Then 21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
Present, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27,
Present, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31. Absent.
Present, sir.
32,
Present, sir.
33,
Present, sir.
34,
Present, sir.
35,
Present, sir.
36,
Present, sir.
37,
Present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39, 41, sorry, 41,
Present, sir.
42,
Present, sir.
43, 45, 45, 46,
Present, sir.
47,
Present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53,
Present, sir.
54, 54, 55, 56,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
57. Acha. Okay, you can leave.
Sir,
Hello, sir.
Yes.
roll number 45 is present.
Just 1 minute. 45 is present. Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, roll number 12 is also present.
45 present, 12 present. Okay. No problem. I'll make the required change.
Sir, roll number 29.
Just 1 minute. 29. 29 present, no?
Yes, sir.
Already I have marked the attendance.
Sir, 15 also present, huh?
15. Present only.
So 13 present.
13 present.
30 present.
30 present, no problem. You leave. Go through the other lecture.
Sir, roll number 24, there is mistake in my name.
24.
Yes, sir.
Who is 24? Akanksha Anant Lande. What is the
Sir,
problem?
there extra A, sir.
Acha. So your division is A. Contact Priyanka Chavan madam. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And try to. Yesterday you were absent, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Attend all the lectures. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can leave. Who